Hi, I'm Chef Pushkar Marathe, Executive Chef and co-owner of Taj Kitchen and Bar in Palm Beach Gardens. Taj literally means an intern, culinary intern, and our inspiration is the globalness of learning from different parts of the world, and that's what the cuisine in Taj is a flavor forward, spice forward, tied to different cultures and celebrating the diversity of America. I'm going to show you this dish, churrasco. For tandoori spice rub on a churrasco, we are using black peppercorn, fenugreek leaves, Kashmiri chili, garam masala, which is blend of a lot of different whole spices, coriander, cumin powder, cumin, and salt. This is a Niman Ranch prime churrasco, which is top sirloin, and that's the spice we talked about earlier. And then I'm gonna just season all that with this tandoori spice rub. I'm gonna get this yogurt out, the ground garlic, some ground ginger, lemon juice, dried fenugreek leaves, some mustard seed oil, some smoked paprika. I literally take this, after coating the both sides, we're just gonna grill on open fire. So we're gonna put a little bit of ghee on this and then put the steak at the hottest spot on the grill. So the steak is, as you see, it got nice, beautiful gold all around. We're gonna make fresh salad to go with this churrasco steak. Then always season your tomatoes first with plenty of salt, blue cheese, some red onions, some fresh cilantro, and the pairing with yogurt marinade, tandoori rub on a churrasco pairs really well with this black garlic ranch, creamy black garlic ranch and tomato blue cheese salad. So here it is. We're gonna plate nice that beautiful black garlic ranch blue cheese tomato salad on the plate. Sharp knife, always sliced against the grain, and here it is. Do support your favorite restaurants around the town. We have a lot of talent in Palm Beach County, a lot of talented chefs. So support your favorite restaurant. If you haven't checked Taj in Palm Beach Gardens, please visit us. Thank you.